Are you an investor looking for premium market opportunities? Presenting premium and exclusive service for investors by Kalkai.
An index fund is a kind of exchange-traded fund or mutual fund. It's a low-cost investment vehicle for investors compared to other investment vehicles and seeks to replicate the performance of a benchmark, which is an index. An index is a group of stocks and measures the changes in the price of its underlying stocks, bonds and commodities, for instance. It essentially measures the performance of the underlying assets based on the industry, the sector and the market cap, for example. As a statistical measure, an index, or some indices collectively, are often referred to as the stock market. And the daily performance of the mainstream indices is tracked heavily to monitor the changes in prices of the largest companies. Index funds replicate the performance of the indices by managing the same allocation and underlying securities, but they set out to match the performance before any expenses and fees. An index fund exposes investors to a specific set of companies that otherwise would have been expensive. As a passive investment, holdings in index funds are decided by the underlying index without the investment manager's discretion. Investment managers are not required to undertake research and stock picking for index funds, since underlying securities are chosen based on the underlying index. An index is also rebalanced periodically. Therefore, underlying securities in the index funds are rebalanced concurrently. Investors prefer index funds for diversification. Since some indices can have different kinds of stocks, such as 500 stocks, 1,000 stocks or 2,000 stocks, the investor in such an index fund will be able to get hold of all the companies in the index. Some of the very legendary investors, such as Warren Buffett, have suggested that index funds are a haven for savings for the later years of life. He points out that rather than picking out individual stocks for investment, it makes more sense for the average investor to buy all of the S&P 500 companies at the low cost that an index fund offers. So what do you think? You can let us know your thoughts in the comment section below, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. You can also press the bell notification for our other videos. I'm Rachel for Kalkai Media.